Hi. Trying not to have a full-blown panic attack. Because this is a bit too many people for my liking. So, yeah. Say hi, Mom. Hello. Yeah. We're in San Antonio for a training that has to do with my proper job. And yeah, kind of just dealing with anxiety. It's real pain. So yeah, the view of San Antonio is actually pretty cool.
I think we need to go that way.
I think we need to go that way as well.
I don't know.
I don't know either. But there is the parking center, I think.
No. Can you go back to where the first place we went
Um,
on your phone?
Hold on.